In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Clickup 3.0 in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a Clickup veteran looking to update your workspace with the latest features or new to the platform and eager to start off with the very best tools available, you're in the right place. So, grab a cup of your favorite beverage, settle in, and let's dive right into the simplicity yet efficiency of updating or downloading Clickup 3.0. First things first, head over to the official Clickup website. It's as simple as typing Clickup into your favorite search engine or entering clickup.com directly into your browser's address bar. Once you're there, you'll be greeted by Clickup's homepage, which showcases all of its versatile features designed to make your work easier. But we're here for a specific reason, so let's not get too sidetracked by all the shiny offerings. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to venture a bit further by scrolling down. If you're using a Windows operating system, you'll need to look out for the Microsoft option. It's crucial to select the version that matches your operating system to ensure compatibility and seamless functionality. Clickup has tailored its platform to work optimally with various operating systems, so taking a moment to select the right option will save you time and potential headaches down the line. Now, you might wonder why it's necessary to check the file version before saving. Well, in the world of tech, staying updated is like staying ahead. By checking the file version, you'll ensure that you are about to download the latest and greatest that Clickup has to offer. This step is especially critical if you've been using Clickup before and are looking to upgrade to version 3.0. The developers at Clickup are always working on improving and adding new features based on user feedback, so downloading the most recent version ensures you have access to all the new tools and enhancements designed to make your workload lighter and your workflow smoother. After you've confirmed you're downloading the correct version for your operating system, go ahead and save the file. Typically, your browser will automatically choose the default downloads folder on your computer, but you're free to select a different location if you prefer. Remember where you save it though, you'll need to access this file shortly. So, what's next after saving the file? Well, that's where your adventure with Clickup 3.0 begins. From organizational tools that defy the norms to task management features that bring your productivity levels to new heights, Clickup 3.0 is designed to be your go-to for everything work-related. Now, while this guide doesn't cover the installation process, it's generally as simple as locating the file you just downloaded, double-clicking on it and following the on-screen instructions. Most updates or initial installations are straightforward, but if you ever find yourself needing a bit of guidance, Clickup's support center and community forums are fantastic resources. Before we wrap up, let's go over a few tips to ensure your transition to Clickup 3.0 is as smooth as possible. First, if you're upgrading from a previous version, it's always a good idea to back up your workspaces and tasks. While Clickup makes every effort to ensure updates are seamless, having a backup is a wise precaution. Second, take some time to explore the new features in 3.0. Whether it's enhanced automation, more intuitive interfaces, or new organizational tools, there's a lot to discover that can elevate your work or personal project management. Lastly, if you're working within a team, encourage your colleagues to update to version 3.0 as well. This ensures everyone is working on the same platform version, which can help in maintaining consistency and avoiding any compatibility issues with collaborative projects. And there you have it, you're now ready to dive into Clickup 3.0. Remember, the key to getting the most out of any tool is not just in having it, but in knowing how to wield it effectively. Spend some time getting familiar with the new layout and features, customize your workspace to suit your needs, and don't hesitate to reach out to the Clickup community for tips and tricks. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide makes your transition to Clickup 3.0 not just straightforward, but exciting. Here's to more productive days ahead with Clickup 3.0 at your fingertips.